Welcome. If you've ever wanted to view files transferred in your Discord chat on your Android device, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to find those attachments. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your Android device. If you haven't already installed it, head to the Play Store, download it, and log into your account. Once you're in the app, navigate to the desired chat where the files were shared. This could be a direct message or a group chat, whatever suits your needs. Next, tap on the contact name or the group name at the top of the chat screen. This will bring you to a menu with various options related to that chat. Here's the important step. Look for the option labeled Files. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to see all the documents, images, and other files that have been shared in this conversation. It's a super handy feature that not everyone knows about, and there you have it. In just a few taps, you can easily view all the transferred files in your Discord chat. Whether it's shared documents for work or fun images from friends, accessing your attachments has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks about your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.